Before you consider buying Strato, there are 12 essential things you should know. If you're comparing web hosting options, Strato might seem appealing, but is it the best choice for you? Stick around to find out how it stacks up against the competition. First off, Strato is an affordable choice for many users, especially if you're looking to save on your hosting plan. With prices starting low, it's often compared to industry giants like Bluehost and SiteGround. But when you dig deeper, you'll find that it lacks some of the advanced features these competitors offer for the same or slightly higher price. Next thing, Strato offers solid performance with fast load times for your website. This is crucial for user experience and SEO, but it's not always as consistent as the competition. Some users have reported occasional slowdowns, which you might not encounter with faster alternatives like HostGator. The third thing to keep in mind is customer support. Strato provides 24/7 support, which is great, but it's not always as responsive or knowledgeable as some competitors. When compared to services like SiteGround or A2 Hosting, users often find their response times slower or less effective. The fourth thing you should know is the range of plans Strato offers. They have plans suitable for both beginners and more experienced users. But while their entry-level options are great for simple sites, they may lack the power and flexibility of hosting providers like Kinsta or WP Engine, which are better suited for scaling. Next, Strato does have an intuitive user interface, but it's not as user-friendly as some competitors. The cPanel might feel a bit more cluttered and less modern than those offered by hosts like Bluehost, which make it easier for users to navigate through their settings. The sixth thing to consider is security features. Strato does offer basic security, such as SSL certificates and malware scanning, but it's not as comprehensive as some competitors. For example, SiteGround includes enhanced security features with their plans, giving you more peace of mind. Seventh on the list is storage and bandwidth. Strato offers unlimited bandwidth, but its storage options can feel restrictive for users who need a lot of space. You might find better value in providers like DreamHost, which offer more generous storage allowances in similar price brackets. The eighth thing to be aware of is scalability. Strato can handle growing websites to a certain extent, but it may not be as smooth or flexible as higher-tier hosts like A2 Hosting or Liquid Web. If you're planning on expanding your website in the future, those hosts might be a more reliable option. Ninth is the uptime guarantee. Strato boasts impressive uptime figures, but when compared to top-tier hosts like SiteGround, which consistently delivers 99.99% uptime, Strato may occasionally fall short in terms of consistency. 10th, Strato's website builder is a nice tool for beginners, but it can't compete with the more advanced site builders offered by other hosts. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution with better drag-and-drop capabilities, you might want to consider providers like Wix or Squarespace. 11th, Strato's free domain name with certain plans is a nice perk. But when you compare it to the free offerings from Bluehost, which also includes a free domain and a more comprehensive package for a similar price, it might not feel like such a great deal after all. Finally, when it comes to email hosting, Strato includes basic email options, but it's nothing groundbreaking. If you need more advanced features like custom email setups, services like G Suite or Microsoft 365 are likely a better fit. So, is Strato a good choice? It can be a great fit for those who need an affordable hosting option, but it's not always the best when you stack it against the competition. If you want a more feature-packed and reliable solution, check out our recommended hosting provider, which you can try for free, and see if it meets your needs better.